Hey, what's up guys, I'm GDCuber and today we have a special unboxing from SpeedCube.com.au of the MoYu WeiLong GTS2M. So I'm really excited to unbox this because, as some of you may know, my main for the last couple of months has been the MoYu WeiLong GTS version 1 that I put magnets in. So when this finally came out, I decided to order it and I've got really high expectations for this. So let's get into it. And here it is. So that's my receipt, you don't need to see that. So they haven't sent me a business card, which makes me really upset. Anyway, so this box is really small compared to what I was thinking it was going to be, but maybe it's just because of how I thought it looked. So as you can see, they've changed the style of the box to, so they put M on it for magnetic. And they've changed the colours. I don't really know if it has a theme, but it just makes it, I don't know, look a little more slick. Don't judge me, please. Okay, so let's get into it. And plastic wrap is always really fun to open. I love it. Also, I just want to say I really hope I get a Lucas Etta or Keaton Ellis Team MoYu card, just because that's what I really want. So, which side does it open? It opens this side. So it's got the magnetic latch. So let's get into it. So the Team MoYu card is someone I sadly don't know, which is a shame. Okay, so here's the cube. I got it in stickerless just because that's what I preferred. And here's the QR code thing. So I heard of people getting spare magnets with their GTS2M, but it doesn't look like I have, unless there's something under here. Under here. Oh yes, there is. So we've got the usual pamphlet on how to solve the 3x3, and then we've got 10 spare magnets, which, just because I happen to have a magnet lying around here, or I hope I do. No, I don't. Okay. I was going to compare the size of them to N42s because I think they're a bit smaller, and obviously the cube itself is a bit smaller than the regular one. And look, it's sticking. Yeah, I think they're just slightly smaller than N42s, but I'm not quite sure. So just put this back on for now. Get these out of the way. So let's get on to the cube itself. So I'm going to enjoy this moment of plastic wrap. So straight away it feels a fair bit lighter than my GTS version 1, and the stickless shades are really nice. I believe they're the same as the ones on the cubing classroom cubes. Yeah, they are really nice, I like them. Anyway, so let's go into first turns. So it's really smooth. I don't quite know how to describe the feeling of it, but it's really nice. So corner cuttings past 45 degrees with a tiny bit of force, but it goes really well. So the magnetic click it's quite noticeable, but not when you're turning fast. Personally, I reckon, obviously this cube definitely feels a lot nicer than my old MoYu WeiLong GTS, but with the magnets, you can definitely feel them a lot less in the version 2 than you can in my version 1, but that's probably just because I use stronger magnets, I'm guessing. So let's have a look at the shades. And yeah, they contrast really well. So I guess we'll have a look at the pieces and the magnets, and then yeah. So it looks like it's got a bit of factory lube in, just looking at the core. So they pieces click together because obviously of magnets. So as you probably would have heard, the design of the corner piece and the edge piece are a lot different because they just refined it to make it more simple, I guess, but it also works a lot better. So we can see the corner piece hasn't got it's got big wings on here, or whatever you call them, so that's just anti-pop. And then we've just got a square base here compared to a rounded one on the version 1. And then on the version 2 corner pieces, the main difference is it's just a big round hole, whereas on here there's a thing in the middle. I'm not very good at this, but anyway. So I'll have a quick look at the magnets inside here. What the heck? Oh no! It's already lost a magnet. No! It's lost its first magnet. Typical. Anyway, well that's just great, not? So we can see they're actually put fairly close up to the edge of the piece. Yeah, so I think they are a fair bit smaller than the ones I used, but I'm not quite sure. No, they're the same. Anyway, where has it gone? That's in here. Get it back later. So thank you for watching this unboxing and first impressions. Hope you enjoyed the video. Remember to like, comment and subscribe. Give me some feedback in the comments or video suggestions. And I'll see you guys later.